Welcome back, everyone. We're back with another video. I know it's been a long time, and the car looks different now from what you guys seen on YouTube. I told you I was going to take off the wrap, and I finally did. But yeah, this is the car without the wrap. I like it much better without the wrap, to be honest with you. I really missed this color. But anyways, none of that. Today we're going to do an oil change on this car. Go with the Patella. Here's my oil filter. And the reason I got these in 2 gallons because they only come literally in this size. They don't come anything smaller like in a quart, or you know, like with Mobil 1, I used to get a gallon and a small quart of Mobil 1, but you can't really get these in a quart if you're looking for them. I've been running this oil for like over a year now, and it does pretty fine in this heat, to be honest. I also bought a new drain plug. And this is my drain plug. I needed a new one, so might as well replace it while we're at it, since we're doing the oil change. But yeah, let's get to it. It's a little hot right now, so glad that I finally have a garage so I can work on all this. Makes life much easier. Let's get it. Let that drain for a minute. I got both the drain plug and oil filter off. But yeah, it's been a while since you guys seen this car. I like it much more without the wrap. I even raised it a little bit, got new tires all around. I had to get a new bumper. Look at the Evo though. That thing's sick. Anyways, but yeah, got a new rear bumper. Also got a new Tome from a 350Z. So this one just hangs straight in. It doesn't usually sit low like a 370Z Tome does. And I love the way it sounds with this Tome. I feel like it sounds a little bit different and whatnot. And also got it paint corrected. The whole entire car. So the paint looks much more better now. You couldn't really tell that I color matched the bumper with the whole car. And I'm also going to go back and repaint this next week. So this will be a fresh new look. But I probably won't put it back on till I actually get a clear bra for it. So if you guys know anybody that does clear bra, just let me know. I don't know anybody that does it, and I would like to get this whole thing clear bra before I put it back on, because I don't want to deal with stuff like this again and all the rock chips and whatnot. It just looks disgusting. But yeah, let's continue doing this. But yeah, this is the new drain plug. Same thread pitch. Literally got it from Nissan, so you can even get this online. I've looked online, but I think this is much more cooler than my old crusty one. But yeah, here's the part number 2. It's almost done draining. I might just wrap it up right now. Look how filthy the bumper looks. All those rock chips in. Yikes. And this is all from being low. I even raised the car, and my driveway is still kind of a hassle to get up to. So I've been scraping on that a lot. But I'm really in love with the rear now. I feel like this whole rear bumper just completed the look. That's also, you guys haven't even seen this car. Like I know if you follow me on Instagram, you see me post it all the time, but this is my girlfriend's Evo. I'm also going to be redoing this hood next week. Gonna have it restored and whatnot. But this thing's fun. This thing's badass, but this thing is fun because it's turbo. But yeah, if I ever take it off, it's just literally just pretty badass. I like it. Versus the old one where it's not even magnetic, and it fits literally right in. Yeah, see? It also fits right in. So that's nice. Heck yeah. Cool. And it came with the washer too, so it's pretty dope. Got the oil filter all lubed up. All right, there we have it. Fits perfect. New drum plays on. Oil filter's on. And I would go back to the top. Now, time to do the most important part. Add the oil in. And everything's tightened up. Drain plug is fine, it's not leaking. Oil filter's on. Do that right now. Do you guys hear that? There's a boosted Nismo pulling up. Let's get a video of it. This thing is single turbo. This is my roommate's car. He's probably like, what the fuck is going on? You can pull in. So this is a mid-mount single turbo 370Z. Oh. I can smell all the 85 is coming up. And we are finally done. Clean all this off. Usually I always get 2 gallons because, you know, like I said, you can't get them in quarts. So I put one full one and then I'll put like 1 quart from that. But yeah, everything's tight and secure. I'm gonna get it running, see how it goes. Should be just fine. It's just an oil change. I also installed new hood pins because my hood latch kept going bad on me. So now it's literally just, that's it. It was closed. This is much more easier and better than the OEM latches. All right, let's see. Yeah, this is how it sits now with the new setup. Tight fitment here. The front's a little bit raised up. It's like almost tight, but I like it. And the Federals really make the car look good. They're noisy as hell, but they're really, I love the pattern on the Federals. It's pretty sick. But yeah, let's see. All right, oil change is all done. Everything's topped off. And yeah, probably my next vlog is gonna be me replacing the pads and rotors because I really need to replace them ASAP. But yeah, that'll probably be the next video, is doing both pads and rotors. And yeah, she's all done. So thanks for watching. I'll try to vlog as much as I can. I'm just really busy with work and it's hard to do it by myself because I'm always working now. I got a new job and I'm working about 5-6 days a week, but yep. We'll be back on another video soon. Stay tuned. I'll see when I can get my hands on those. I'm doing the whole front and back rotors and pads. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.